Imagine confidently navigating the complexities of your business, knowing you are making sound decisions that protect your company and your team. What if you could understand the essential legal principles that govern employer-employee relationships, particularly when difficult decisions about employment must be made? Lawful termination of employment generally occurs when an employer ends an individual's employment in compliance with all applicable federal, state, and local laws, as well as any existing employment contracts or company policies. This process hinges primarily on the concept of at-will employment, which states that either the employer or employee can terminate the relationship at any time, for any reason, or no reason at all, provided it is not an illegal reason. The why behind lawful termination is deeply rooted in preventing discrimination and ensuring fairness. While at-will employment provides broad discretion, it has critical exceptions designed to protect employees from wrongful termination. These exceptions include terminations based on protected characteristics like race, gender, religion, national origin, age, or disability, which are prohibited under federal statutes such as Title VII of the Civil Rights Act and the Americans with Disabilities Act. Furthermore, employers cannot terminate an employee in retaliation for exercising a legal right, such as filing a workers' compensation claim or whistleblowing, nor can they terminate in violation of an implied contract or public policy. To ensure your termination practices are lawful, begin by documenting everything meticulously. Clearly outline performance issues, policy violations, or legitimate business reasons for termination, always adhering to established company policies and employment contracts. Consistently apply disciplinary actions and termination procedures across all employees to avoid any appearance of bias. When in doubt, or especially in complex situations, seeking legal counsel before taking action is always a prudent step. An important nuance to understand is the concept of just cause, which typically means an employer must have a valid, non-discriminatory reason for firing an employee, often required in union contracts or for public sector employees. Another critical element is the severance agreement, which is a contract offered to an employee upon termination, often in exchange for releases of claims against the employer. This helps mitigate potential legal risks. Staying informed about these specific legal instruments can significantly strengthen your position. By diligently understanding the parameters of at-will employment, meticulously documenting decisions, and proactively addressing potential legal pitfalls, you create a more secure and ethical workplace. This strategic approach minimizes legal exposure and fosters a culture of fairness and compliance, allowing you to confidently manage your workforce while upholding your legal responsibilities.